Hello, in this video, I am going to derive equations of motion. There are two methods to derive equations of motion. First, graphical method, and second, direct method or formula based method. In this video, I am going to discuss direct method or formula based method. To derive these equations of motion, we need to make an assumption, that is, object is moving with uniform acceleration. We know that acceleration is equal to change in velocity change in velocity upon change in time. So acceleration is equal to delta v upon delta t. So acceleration is equal to final velocity v minus initial velocity u upon t minus 0. So we get a is equal to v minus u upon t. And on rearranging these terms, we get at is equal to v minus u. So v is equal to u plus at. This is first equation of motion. Now let us use the fact that average velocity is equal to total displacement upon total time. Now for object moving with uniform acceleration, average velocity can be calculated using the formula v plus u by 2, that is final velocity plus initial velocity by 2 is equal to displacement s upon time t. So making s as a subject from here, we get v plus u by 2 into t. Let us label this as equation A. Now substitute the value of v is equal to u plus at in equation A. So when we substitute the value of v in equation A becomes s is equal to, in place of v we write u plus at, so u plus at, and as you can see here, this u is already there, so plus u divided by 2 into t. So u plus u, 2u plus at upon 2 into t. Multiplying time with 2u and at, we get 2 ut plus a t square divided by 2, and on simplifying this we get s is equal to ut plus half a t square. This is our equation number 2. While solving the numericals of equations of motion, 95% numericals can be solved using this second equation of motion, that is s is equal to ut plus half at square. Now to derive the third equation, let us use equation A once again, that is s is equal to v plus u by 2 into t. Now here we have to replace t. We know that acceleration is equal to v minus u by t. So from here we get t is equal to v minus u upon a. So we will substitute value of t in equation A. This is our equation A. We get s is equal to v plus u by 2, and instead of time we get v minus u upon a. But we know that a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So using this particular fact, the equation of displacement becomes v square minus u square upon 2a. On rearranging, we get 2as is equal to v square minus u square, and hence v square is equal to u square plus 2as. This is our equation number 3, third equation of motion. To learn how to derive equations of motion using graphical method, check the link in the description below.
Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.